Hello, welcome to Watercolor by Scarlett Damen. This is a Patreon special just for you. Yeah, so this morning I thought I would pull apart an onion, pull apart an onion and sketch out some of the skins of the onion and kind of map out the shape, the tones, the texture. I set up the lights in different spots and get a feel for my subject. Now, I've painted onions before. I really like painting onions, mostly because the skins are so delicate and see-through. They're transparent, they're beautiful. I'm particularly fond of the purple onions because of the color, but these gold ones are gorgeous too, especially on this table. Like, this shot is just beautiful. I didn't realize how pretty it was while I was drawing it, but now that I'm seeing it in this video, I'm thinking, wow, that was a really pretty picture. Yeah, but the objective here is to just take a moment and pre-sketch out my subject. And it doesn't really matter if I'm planning on drawing it and then painting it the way I'm sketching it now. I really want to study the subject and see it from all its angles. This is something I talk to a lot of people about this. I often recommend, draw your stuff, see what you're doing, get to know your subject before you paint it. And I get so many comments in person and online where people say, well, it takes too much time, or it doesn't make sense, or I'm not that kind of artist, I just pick up something and go. And while I totally understand and respect the idea that we need to be quick and spontaneous and just have fun with it, if you're looking to get into a subject and you want to be really satisfied with the piece that you're working on, I highly recommend taking the time to study it. So doing some sketches like this, some life sketches, still life sketches, and just taking the time to get to know your subject, which is what I'm doing here. That's pretty much all I have to say about this. And there really isn't even a lot of tones in here. I didn't take the time. I didn't get to the point where I would come back and do my shadows and my highlights, but that is something I would do next. So far it's just the outline and the sketches. So hopefully you'll see some onion paintings coming up soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Scarlett. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.